Yeah, hello guys. We are going to discuss the continuous of the geography topic, India physiological features like peninsular plateau. We are going to discuss. This is the plateau, peninsular plateau. We did complete the mountain ranges and we did complete the plains and northern plains. Okay, now it is time for the peninsular plateau. Okay, guys, peninsular plateau. Just look into here. This is the area of India. Okay, this is where we have to complete the mountain ranges, and this is the plain is the northern plains, northeastern plains. We did complete the India geographical features, and now it is time for the this plateau area. India's mainland, guys. India's mainland. This is the India's mainland. This is the plateau area. Actually, these features are placed, formed. These either plateaus or these plains or mountains and coastals and islands are formed with the two regions I told you yesterday, exogenic forces and endogenic forces. Himalayas and mountains are formed by the endogenic forces. Endogenic forces mean there is a changes inside the earth, that is we can call earthquakes, or that is we can call plate tectonic activity. And plains, after that mountains, there is a plains we did discuss, right? The plains are formed by the river and riverine water and soil, that is exogenic forces. Plains are formed by exogenic forces, and mountains, Himalayans are formed by endogenic forces. Plateaus are formed by endogenic or exogenic. Plateaus are different relief features and different of peaks, different of canopy and forest. How they formed? Endogenic forces mean mainly the lava which is melted magma that is enter into the crust area of the earth. That is the crust area of the earth created a lava, next that is went to the cool down to place a plateau, that is peninsular plateau. Okay, yes. So guys, this is the area as many types of plateaus we have to discuss. This is Deccan plateau, this is Deccan plateau, and this is Malwa plateau where Madhya Pradesh, this is Bundelkhand plateau where Uttar Pradesh, this is Chota Nagpur plateau where Jharkhand and Bihar. Okay, yeah, this is Shillong plateau where the Meghalaya. Okay, yeah, this is Telangana plateau where the Deccan plateau. Okay, this is Karnataka plateau. These are the plateaus which is formed by endogenic forces. I hope you guys understand what are the plateaus where they are located here. Just look into here. We are going to discuss, this is the geographical features of India. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So generally their elevation of the plateaus are, okay, elevation of the plateaus are 150 meters plains if the plateaus are 600 to 900 meters. Hyderabad, which is about more than 700 meters, it is the Deccan plateau. Okay, yes, plateaus are experienced very high, like rainfall, such a forest area, and mineral resources are very high because of 180 million year ago. This is the forest and animal or plant based fossils turn into the minerals, that is coal and other type of metals. We got here in the plateau region only, that is the rich minerals located in the Jharkhand belt and Deccan plateau belt. Okay, yes. and we can call it as northwestern Delhi Ridge, that is extended to the Aravalli, east Rajmahal Hills and west Gir Range, south is Cardamom Hills. Okay. Yeah, northeast extension Shillong and Karbi Aglang Plateau. Okay, Shillong and Karbi Aglang Plateau. This is okay. The examples of plateaus are Ajarbagh, Palamu, Ranchi, Malwa, Coimbatore and Karnataka, Dakkan. The oldest, most stable landmass of India is plateaus itself. Okay, slope west to east, slope west to east. Okay, west to east slope is there plateaus, where the rivers are origin in the west part, they can flow into the east, enter into the Bay of Bengal. But there are two rivers, which is Narmada, Tapi rivers, they are originate east and they flow west side. Why? Because of the valley, Rift Valley created, the rivers went to the west side flowing, Rift Valleys. This is the most important, guys. Okay? Yes. And the land forms in the plateaus, what type of land is there in the plateaus? That is like Toes and Black Mountains, Rift Valleys are there. Okay? Yeah, like hills are there, quartz dikes mean there is mineral resources, soil is the block soil, okay, and seismic features are Bhima fault, recurrent activity. Actually seismic activity is very low earth prone area here, there is no earthquake here in the plateaus, guys. Okay. Erosion features riverine, Chambal and erosions only very rare, guys, in the plateaus, especially the riverine area where the Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi and like these rivers Narmada, Tapi, if the rivers Kaveri, these are the plateau rivers, guys, where the rain feed rivers. Okay? Yes. Next, major plateaus we have to discuss. Okay? That is plateaus nature and major plateaus are there, we are going to discuss. Deccan Plateau is the major plateau. Deccan Plateau is the major plateau, guys. Okay. This is the area, Deccan Plateau. This is the area Deccan Plateau, guys. Okay. Our Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, somewhat Karnataka and somewhat like Tamil Nadu is comes Maharashtra is comes under Deccan Plateau. Okay. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh main areas and somewhat Madhya Pradesh, somewhat Maharashtra, somewhat Karnataka, Chhattisgarh is comes under Deccan Plateau. Okay. Yes. What are the features of Deccan Plateau? What are the important geographical points in the Deccan Plateau we have to discuss. Okay. Yep. Yeah, Deccan Plateau, just look at here, there is a boundaries, west is Western Ghats, Sahyadri, Nilagiri Hills, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills. Just look at here, guys, Deccan Plateau, where it is end with the Cardamom Hills, and Western Ghats, Sahyadri Hills. Okay. Eastern Ghats, this is discontinuous erosion, Eastern Ghats. Just look into here, guys. Western Ghats is the continuous flowing, Eastern Ghats is the discontinuous. These are the borders of the Deccan Plateau, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, middle Deccan Plateau. The end part is Cardamom Hills, Nilagiri Hills. Okay. And there is a Satpura range and Vindhya range is north. Okay. Mahadevo Hills, Chota Nagapur Plate below Mahadevo Hills. This is the borders of the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Yeah. Next, Western Ghats. Western Ghats are the west part of the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Western Ghats are the coastal area, one of the coastal area of the Deccan Plateau. This is continuous. Okay. About 1,500 meters. Western Ghats is 1500 meters coastline average. Okay, it is increase height from north to south. This is important for exam point of view, guys. This is important for exam point of view. Okay, exam point of view, this is important. Western Ghats, the size increase from north to south. North to south, the height is increases north to south. From north to south, this is north area, this is south area. The height, peak height, Western Ghat heights increases from north to south. If from the north where Goa started, Western Ghat, Tamil Nadu ended. In the Tamil Nadu, there is a highest elevation is there of the Western Ghats. Okay, yes, it is increases height from north to south. The highest peak is Annamudai. This is important for exam, guys. Highest peak in the Western Ghats is Annamudai. Okay, yeah, we can call it as Annamalai Hills. Yeah, here this is the place actually, guys, Annamudai. Okay, Western Ghats. And next highest is Dodabetta. This is also Tamil Nadu place. Okay, 2637 we can call Nilagiri Hills. Nilagiri Hills. Okay, this is the Nilagiri Hills. This is the Nilagiri Hills. Okay, Dodabetta, Annamudai. Annamudai is the highest peak in the Western Ghats, South India, where the place from the north to south, which is enter Western Ghats. Western Ghats started Goa, ended Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. That is, Annamudai is the highest peak. Next highest peak is Dodabetta. Unlike Himalayas, there is a ranges, peaks are different. Western Ghats peaks are different. Okay, yeah, guys, you have to remember these are the most important points for the exam, guys. 1, 2, 3 points are the most important for exam. Increase height from the north to south. Highest peak Annamudai in the Western Ghats. Lowest peak is second highest is Dodabetta. Okay, yeah, guys, just look into here the major divisions of Deccan Plateau. Okay, yep. Next, Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats discontinue. Western Ghats is continue. Eastern Ghats are discontinue. Low hills, okay, eroded by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These are the east flowing rivers. Okay, eroded mean there is a deposits form. Okay, important ranges Javedi Hills, Palakonda Range, Nallamala Hills, okay, Mahendragiri Hills. These are the Mahendragiri Hills most important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yeah, these are the hilly areas in the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are the discontinue and broader. Eastern Ghats are the discontinue and broader. The low hilly areas eroded by the rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Okay, and important ranges are Javedi Hills, Palkonda Range, Nallamala Hills, Mahendragiri Hills. These are the most important prominent with Eastern Ghats ranges. Guys, you have to just observe there are harbors and ports, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, the Kandla Port. These are the harbors and ports we can observe Eastern Ghats and as well Western Ghats. Most of the ports are located in Eastern Ghats or Western Ghats. Okay, this is the question. Most of the ports are located in question Eastern Ghats or Western Ghats? Western Ghats, guys. Answer is Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Because of why? Because that is narrow stretch of Western Ghats. Okay, Eastern Ghats there is a less sports because of this is discontinuous and broader stretch and deposition because of this nature, broader stretch, deposition and discontinued nature created a less harbor, less ports in the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats are the continuous, there is a narrow stretch, okay, there is no deposition took place, there is no erosion. In that way, there are many ports are there. They can ask you how many ports are Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats in the coming questions. Okay, yes, and just look into here. Lies the North Narmada River boundaries by Aravalli in the northwest and Vindhya south. Okay, this is about central island. Okay, we are going to discuss central highlands, not island, highlands. Okay, it is included Malwa Plate, Bundelkhand and this Chota Nagpur plates are the central mainland plateaus. Okay, northeast plates is the extension for the northeast India, that is Shimla, like northeast Shillong plateaus are there. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, mainlands mainly peninsular plateaus are bounded by Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats is the narrow stretch and there is a continuous ridged forms, and there is a north to south is a height increase, there is high number of ports and harbors. Eastern Ghats itself there is a low hilly areas and broader stretch, deposition and erosion took place. Okay, there is a broader line, because of that broader nature there is low ports and harbors. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. The central highland landmass is lies between Narmada river and bounded by Aravalli in northwest and Vindhya south. Okay, yeah, mainly included Malwa plate, Bundelkhand, Chota Nagpur plate. Okay, northeastern plates mainly Shillong plate. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah, river. Okay, river and drainage in the mainland. Okay, yeah. If you like the video, guys. Okay, yeah. River and drainage. Okay, in the mainland, in the plateaus area, east flowing rivers. Okay, mainly the this is the plateau area, mainland area, which is flow from the west to east slope. Okay, in that way most of the rivers are originated in the west part. Okay, mainly Western Ghats, they can flow into the Eastern Ghats eastward. Okay, Narmada, Tapi and there is a Mahathi rivers are rivers where they origin in the central islands, they can flow into the west part because of Rift Valley nature. They flow into the west side. This is the different scenario of the mainland. Okay, yeah, east flowing rivers mainly Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, and typically landforms, the large deltas, floodplains and meanders are absent in the west flowing rivers. Okay, yeah, west flowing rivers are they can enter into the Arabian Sea, that is Narmada, Tapi, Madevi and Jari, Periyar rivers. Okay, no large deltas formed in the west side. There is no deltas formed because of there is a narrow stretch of coastal area. Okay, west side there is no deltas formed, but east side perennial rivers they can create a delta, but this is the plateau rivers, they don't create delta that much. Okay, they can create it, but Sundarban delta is the world largest delta which is created by Ganga Brahmaputra. Here also there are delta formed by Godavari, okay, where there is a lake, okay, yeah, Kolleru lake, that is also Ramsar wetland site. Kolleru lake is the, they can create deposition created by the river Godavari, okay. Yes, I hope you guys understand this, okay. Yep. Next, okay, yeah, guys, just key points for the MCQs, that is Annamudai is the highest peak in the peninsular India, and Delhi Ridge is the northwest extension towards Aravalli. Bhima fault is the seismic zone in the plateau. Actually, seismic zone is not took place in the plateau area, okay. Mostly they can seismic area in the northern area, that is like Himalayans, and here also Bhima fault. Okay, black soils are the western, like black soils are the plateau soil texture, guys. Okay, Western Ghats are more continuous, high than Eastern Ghats, higher than Eastern Ghats. Okay, yes, yeah. Central Highlands, key points. Just look into here, Central Highland and key point. Okay, yep. Location and boundaries of the Central Highland: West Aravalli, South Satpura ranges, North Yamuna, and like it is extension toward as far Jaisalmer in the west part, and eastern extension which is Rajmahal Hills. This is the important where the Chota Nagpur plateau end. Okay, Rajmahal Hills is the most important where the Eastern Ghats located. Okay, yep. And geological and physical features of this peninsular plateaus. This is the peninsular plateau which is mountain highly like discontinuous ranges are there. Evidence for metamorphism. There is a like rocks, igneous rock. First, yeah, you have to like end. Okay, this is the earth. Core area of the earth. Okay, after that there is a place where mantle. After core, this is the mantle. Okay, after mantle there is like this is earth surface crust, right? Crust. If the core, this is the mantle that is turned into the igneous rock. that is enter into the as rock igneous rocks. Okay, that is igneous rock where first it is molten rock, okay. This is we can call lava, which is enter into the earth surface as igneous rock. Over a period, it is turned into the metamorphic rocks. So this is the plateau region, mainly metamorphism, presence of the marble and slates like genesis took place by the like lava. Okay, it is general elevation of plateaus is like this 700 to 1000. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yep. Next, drainage system of the plateaus are like there are Chambal river, Vindhya, Satpura, okay, Narmada rivers are there. Okay, we are going to discuss in the river chapters. Okay, yeah, Vindhya are like where the origin of the this islands. Okay, they might not ask you this. Okay, yeah. Next, northeastern plateau. Okay, this is origin the Peninsular plateau and northeastern movement of India, which is Rajmahal Hills and Meghalaya plateau. Okay, yeah, I did shown here 69. Yeah, this is the plateau, northeastern plateau. No, here I am not finding. Yeah, Shillong, Meghalaya Shillong plateau. Okay, after Rajmahal Hills, okay, this is the Rajmahal Hill. This is extended towards this plateau, guys, okay. After Chota Nagpur Plateau, eastern Rajmahal Hills, okay. Finally, the Shillong plateau, which is northeastern plateau, which is Meghalaya place. This is the plateau, is the northeastern plateau, guys. Okay, yeah, this is also comes under plateau, where northeastern Shillong plateau. Okay, northeastern plateau. It is extended to the Meghalaya we can call Shillong plateau. Okay, yes, yeah. There are certain hills in the plateau. Plateau mean there is a hills also there. There is a high relief features. High features are there. High elevation of features are there in the northeastern plateau, mostly in the Meghalaya plateau, that is divided into Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, Jantia Hills. Okay, Karbi Harglang Hills, Assam, and it is extended to the Meghalaya plateau. This is the most important, the places where the northeastern plateau, that is Kashi, Jantia and Garo Hills from the Meghalaya. Karbi Anglang is the like Assam, guys. Okay, this Garo, Kasi and Jantia Hills. Okay, Karbi Anglang is the, this is the blue color, that is Assam. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is also mainland of eastern states. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah, guys, today this is actually class is over. Tomorrow we have to discuss, yeah, key points we have to mind it. It is actually mainland. Yeah, this is the plateaus region, mainly rich mineral resources because of there is a metamorphic rocks, they turn into the minerals, and as well there is a fossils of plants and animals. Before they enter 180 million year ago, they turn into the minerals in this plateau region. Okay, mainly coal, iron, okay, limestone, uranium are the reserve. Okay, the highest rainfall, northwest monsoon of India, okay, that is created highest rainfall, especially Chirpunji, okay, Marsin Ram of Meghalaya places is the highest rainfall places, guys. And key points for the exam point of view, what are the falls between Rajmahal Hills, Meghalaya Hills is the important. Marsin Ram and Chirpunji is the highest rainfall places in the plateau region. Meghalaya plateau is the mineral rich and Chota Nagpur plate is the most mineral rich area, guys. Okay, yeah, Chota Nagpur place mainly Orissa, Jharkhand places, guys. Okay, yes, yeah, Indian deserts and islands we are going to discuss in the coming classes and along with MCQs. Okay, in the coming class I am going to deal Indian island and deserts with the MCQs and along with PYQs of all exam from the civil services to top civil services to local exam. Okay, all over MCQs I am going to handle PYQs. Based on PYQs I am going to create a trend of the MCQs in the coming sessions, guys. Don't miss it. Thank you so much. We are going to connect into the next class, guys. Just you have to like follow my classes. I will give you my best. This is the information is enough for you, guys. No need to refer any book. I did take from NCERT and certain important publishers I did take. Okay, and I am following the UPSC trend and as well state exams also. Okay, it is my notes is everything about exam point of view. I have experience about more than 5 to 6 years about UPSC preparation and I did write mains twice in the UPSC. Okay, in that way I am telling my experience where you not to read, okay, where actually you have to be productive and accuracy needed. Okay, yeah, guys, I hope it is a better understanding for you. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.